Hello. So now I want to make a little garnish for my white yam. So now you can see this is a boiled water. This is a boiled water from the yam. So I just added this thing. I added salt. So now adding onions. Can you see agwa? So let's bear with me, Oh my God. So now I'm putting curry, I'm adding curry to it. Just some little pinch of curry. So this is what I will use in eating the yam. Sauce in so I will use this sauce to eat my yam. So now I'm adding dry fillet of fish. That is fish, dried fish, but only the flesh, the fillet of the fish. So now let me see. Wow. Now I'm going to add the oil to it. So you can add the palm oil, but what I'm adding is just like this is oil tuna salt, or you can use groundnut oil or palm oil. So I've added my oil. So now see, this is crayfish. I'm going to add this crayfish. So bear with me, I think it will be so good, So this is nice. Smells good. Mom, I want them madam be full of agua come you see. But anyhow, yeah. It makes sense. So good. But I'm not adding any seasoning because already I have the fish in it. Okay, let me add small oil again. Let me add little oil. Voila. This is good. So good. So I will not allow the onions to be too cooked. Voila. So if you look here now, I still have my yam. I still have my yam. Yeah. So as this one is boiling, so watch. So good. So I transfer everything now to the yam. So I mix. Bon appetit. So this was the yam I've already cooked. So now this garnisher, I put this garnisher inside the yam. So now I'm mixing it up. Thank you for watching. Leave your comment below. So for the ingredients of what I put inside the sauce is some pinch of salt, crayfish, fish fillet, and then curry, and then now let me add the black pepper, that is 12, and then I'm done. So it's ready to eat. Bon appetit. Oriri biam biam no no. Hey, now check them out now. No just tell say I cook a grandma wow. At all, na I'm bad pass so. So I get to enjoy this my yam. So look, I'm using a wooden spatula wooden spoon to cook. So thank you for watching. Leave your comments below. Follow my channel. So also tell me how you cook your porridge yam. Can I call this a porridge yam now? Yes, it's a porridge yam. So Ndeke Udo Mbana. Thank you very much for watching.